Hello, this is going to be our practice set for percent of increase and decrease. And when I did our last guided notes, I realized that I did not include some of the problems that give us the amount of change. We only had two examples that had the original, but not the amount of change. So let's look at our first situation. Rosa received a monthly raise of $162.50. If this represents a 6.5% increase, what is her monthly salary after the raise? So let's see what they're asking us to do. First of all, we want to go ahead and highlight the information that we're given. She received a monthly raise of $162.50. This represents a 6.5% increase. And they ask us, what is her monthly salary after the raise? So we're going to start with a percent. They give us 6.5%. So I'm going to write that as 6.5 over 100 equals, and this time I know the amount of change. They mentioned $162.50 is her monthly additional raise. So what I don't know is her salary, her monthly salary. So we're going to go ahead and multiply 6.5 times x, and then we're going to multiply 100 times $162.50. So that's going to be 16,250. And now we have to solve. We're going to divide both sides by 6.5. So you can pause and use your calculator. All right, and that is x equals 2,500. But we're not done yet. So she has a raise, and this was her original amount. Remember, this is the original, and her salary increased, by $162.50. So she had a raise, leaving her monthly salary after the raise is $2,662.50. So this is a situation, again, we have to add or subtract based on this situation. And so number 2 is very similar. Let's try number 2, only not this time. Let's go ahead and use the equation way. So we're going to start by highlighting information. Let's read through. An employee's salary increased by $4,500, which represents a 15% raise. What is the employee's new salary? So we're going to start by finding the part. If we equals, this is the percent, and this total is actually the original. So in this case, we know the part that it increased. It increased, that's going to become important again, by $4,500. They mention that represents a 15% raise, and they're asking us what is the employee's new salary. So we're going to start with the percent is 15%. We don't know the original, so we're going to leave it a variable. So we would go ahead and scoop the decimal. We would move the decimal back twice, or divide by 100, so we have 1,500 times the total, or the original, and now we're going to divide both sides by 1,500. So please use your calculator and to find the answer. So we should have 30,000. So we have 30,000, and let's recall that the T is actually the original amount. So if she made 30,000 before, and she had an increase, that means we're going to add 4,500. The employee's new salary is 34,500. So if you continue now with the rest of this sheet, The next two are going to be similar to what we did on the guided notes. And then after that, you're going to be asked, whoops, let me go ahead and move this. You're going to be asked to figure out whether you're given the original or the change. In the equation again, P is the change and T is the original. So use either proportion method or the equation method. Thanks so much for watching both videos and have a great day.